Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of project management and exploring the essential roles that project managers play in the business landscape of 2024. Let's kick things off with a bang by highlighting the increasing importance of project management in today's ever-evolving business world. As companies face new challenges and opportunities, project management has become a crucial factor in ensuring success and efficiency. Now, let's delve into the roles of project management and how they have evolved over the years to meet the demands of modern projects. Project managers are no longer just taskmasters, they are strategic leaders who drive projects forward, navigate complexities, and ensure successful outcomes. But it's not all smooth sailing. In 2024, project managers face a myriad of challenges, from managing remote teams and tight deadlines to keeping up with rapidly changing technologies. These challenges require adaptability, creativity, and strong leadership skills. So, what are the essential tips for project managers to succeed in 2024? Effective communication strategies, agile methodologies, and leveraging technological tools are key. Communication is the cornerstone of successful project management, ensuring that all team members are on the same page and working towards a common goal. Agile methodologies allow for flexibility and quick adaptation to changing circumstances, while technological tools streamline processes and enhance productivity. Now, here comes the key moment. The importance of adaptability and resilience in project management roles in 2024 cannot be overstated. In a fast-paced and unpredictable business environment, being able to pivot, innovate, and overcome obstacles is essential for success. As we wrap up, let's summarize the main points discussed. Project management plays a critical role in driving successful project outcomes in 2024. By embracing new methodologies, technologies, and communication strategies, project managers can lead their teams to victory and deliver impactful results. And last but not least, don't forget to share your own project management tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to stay updated on the latest project management trends, make sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.